This is a HP laptop. I mean, it's a Probook of some sort. I have no idea which one. That's where it was made. Oh, it says there, 450. But today, what we're going to be doing with this thing is, we're going to be shoving an SSD in here and, well, trying to do the thermal paste. My setup is a bit different because I'm not really in the country. And we're going to be using these screwdrivers. If you're wondering what this thing has, it has an i5 CPU with 8GB of RAM, and it has got an SSD in, but it's only like 250 something gigabytes. So we're gonna be shoving a 500 gigabyte, what's this, mega mouth one in. I mean, this only cost me like, I think it's like 20 quid or something. But so let's just shut this down. I've already cloned the discs over. I've used some sort of thing. I forgot what I used, but all right, there we go. All right, so let's shove this over. Let's remove the battery. I mean, I think you just push these in. Is that right? Bloody hell, it's a bit stiff. There we go. Right, that's out, and it does look like this thing is meant to slide down. All right, I found the how-to video, guys. Don't worry. All right, yep. We get it. Oh, we have to switch it this way. Do I have to remove that screw? You know what? Let's use these screwdrivers. Oh, look at that. Did I undo the wrong thing? I've removed the wrong one. Oh, I think I see. Oh, there is no screw in there. The screw's already been removed.
To remove that rubber, there's a screw right underneath. Go ahead and the same thing in here.
Which rubbers do I have to remove these?
Yeah, square one right here.
We ain't got a flathead screwdriver. Let's use the battery. Alright people, so I've just looked at a video, and I mean, it turns out I didn't even have to take them two off. I mean, I did off camera. So apparently you just do this. Oh, well, that's... yeah, and it just oh my god. I don't know how well you can see this, but there's a cobweb in there. There's a spider living in this computer somewhere. Whilst I've got this, I was going to replace the thermal paste, but it's a long job and we haven't got the right screwdrivers because I ain't got any of these triangle bits. We've only got what we've been given, so thermal paste replacement is not possible at the moment. So what we're just going to do is we're just going to get to the SSD. This screwdriver doesn't even fit in this hole properly. You have to force it in. Then there should be a screw under here. Why is there a warranty on this? We just keep hold of these screws, keep them safe. Realistically, you don't need all four, but you might. It's good. They're good to have. And then slide it out, and the SSD feels cheap. Now we just have to see what brand it is. I mean, it doesn't really matter about the brand because I'm using bloody Mega Mouth. Right, are we ready to reveal the SSD? Oh, it's stuck. Oh. What the bloody hell? Super talent. What is this SSD? So now we just need to shove this new SSD in. 512 gigs. It's better than this 256 super talent. I've never heard of a super talent SSD. You know what, we should probably clean up this computer first. Alright, yeah, let's try and do that. I mean, then there's somehow a cobweb on the fan. So no one had compressed air whatsoever, so what we're going to do is we're going to shove this SSD in. I've already swapped these over. I'm going to shove this in here, then we're going to screw this down, and then we're going to see if hopefully I've copied everything over correctly and the computer doesn't decide to cream itself. And then once we've checked this is all working, then we're going to clean it. There we go, right, so now them screws are on. We're just going to, we don't need this back plate yet. We're just going to shove this battery in. Hopefully it just boots straight into Windows and does, oh, that's a good sign. Hopefully there's no Windows repair notification coming up like what there sometimes is. Hopefully it just boot. I'm hoping it just boots straight away. Come on. Yes! Right, we've got it. Oh, that's the software I use to transfer it. Macro yeah. And then there we go. We got 500 gigabytes of storage now. So that was actually extremely easy. I thought it was going to be a lot harder than that. How's the disc doing? 2%. That's a lot better than what this one had. This one was on bloody 50%. Alright, does the Windows search work? Last time it didn't. I have no idea why. No, Windows search does not want to work. I've tried for about 2 hours to try and fix this. I've tried all the steps that it says on the internet. I mean, if you guys know what's wrong with this, it just doesn't want to open. Oh, I forgot to mention, this was on Windows 8. I did update it to Windows 10. We got 500 gigabytes of storage now. Well, I haven't. This guy has. Alright, so now we know that this thing works. Let's just turn it down. Well, not turn it down, turn it off. So now let's hit it with some compressed air. So now this computer's up and running, we're going to shove a bit of user benchmark on there. Oh, that was quick. Oh wait, he's got Steam on it. Wait, what games does he have? Server full. Let's get Geekbench up. This type here to search still doesn't work. Sometimes it comes up, but it won't let you type. So if you know how to fix that, please comment down below. So we've shoved Geekbench on, and this thing only has 2 cores, so I mean, it is a bit. We're gonna run the CPU benchmark, and we'll probably see you in like half an hour, because that normally takes ages. So the test is just finished, and we have a single core score of 944 and a multi-score core of 1842, which, I mean, it's alright. I mean, it's not that bad. This will probably be good for like emails and, well, just looking on the internet, but I mean, I wouldn't really use it for Photoshop. I mean, so overall, this computer, I mean, it's actually quite good. Alright, so I mean, I'm not really sure what else I can do with this thing, so that's probably going to be it for this video. Thank you people for watching, and hang on. We'll see you in the next video.